We are against mobile court to come to somebody's without even notification. Even though if there is any notification, there is an objection towards to that. And some of them are not at home. Like where we are standing now, the man is not at home. And the court, with mobile court, came to lock their place. That's intimidation of highest order.
They will write our people demanding 700,000 per year, 1.5 million per year, 800,000 per year. When they reply then that we have already paid, we are paying, okay, they will ask us to subtract what we have paid before from the new bill they gave us, thereby calculating like 10 years ago and giving us a just bill of 10 million, 15 million, 9 million, and that we must pay. While we go with our lawyer, discuss with them and trying to explain things to them that we have paid this tax up to 2022. What we are trying to pay now is 2023 tax, which by law we are supposed to start paying by November. But as our association concerned, we close our meeting by November and open February.